spill kit. I don't know if that's got any gear in it or not. Let's find out for science. Oh, look at that. Nice. I'll get to that in a minute. Got your airline there. Another little box back here. This is your cabinet. There we go. With your meter. Pretty nice meter, 2 of them. And your reels. Particulate filters. And then your both standard gas nozzles and a little eye wash station there. It's nice. Vapor, another box over here. Self-fitting, and it's like a drain pan in there. Fire extinguisher. Nothing really going on in there. Your load heads with interlocks. And sight glasses. They're a little foggy, but serviceable. More spill kit gear and a flare kit. That's about it. This one doesn't have a ladder to get up on the tank. Just as a side note, but sorry about that. But it's pretty. I mean, it's not much of a climb to get up there, realistically, if you ever had to get up there. And that's her. Nice little unit, that's for sure.